Okay, I decided to do number 4 on your homework assignment here. We want to find out the discriminant, so that's b squared minus 4ac. Okay. So in this case, b squared would be negative 30 squared minus 4 times a times c, which is 25. Now this is a pretty ugly expression, so let me go ahead and plug this into the calculator. Okay. Oops. So we've got negative 30, make sure that goes in parentheses, squared, minus 4 times 9 times 25. Let's see what that works out to. Hey, that works out to be 0. That's actually quite nice. So your discriminant is 0. Okay? So, what do we get? If the discriminant is 0, well, if it's 0, you're taking the square root of 0, which is just 0, so you're going to have one real solution. So we've got one real solution. How many x-intercepts will it have? Well, if you have one real solution, that means your vertex is sitting on the x-axis, so you're going to have one x-intercept. Can it be factored? Okay, if we look at the factoring side here. Discriminant 0, hey, factoring, hey, that's supposed to work. And not only is it supposed to work, but because there's only one answer, your factors are supposed to be the same. So this is yes, because the discriminant is 0. Okay. Is completing the square a good option? Well, on here, it's a horrible option because a is not 1. So you're going to have to divide through this whole equation by 9, which is going to get to the 30 over 9. And then you're going to have to take half of that, which is super ugly. So no, because a is not equal to 1 and b is not even after dividing by a. Okay. Or you can just say a is not 1. It's good enough. So then what's the best method to solve by? Well, it factors, so factoring should be your best option. So let's look at this. 9x squared minus 30x plus 25 equals 0. Oh, factoring. Factoring is your best option. So this is supposed to factor, and it's supposed to factor into the same two factors. So what times itself gets you 9x squared? That's 3x. What times itself gets you 25, positive 25? Well, it's supposed to get you a negative here, so these are supposed to be both negative, and it's got to be 5. Well, do we end up with negative 30x in the middle? 3x times negative 5 is negative 15x. Negative 5 times 3x, negative 15x. Negative 15x, negative 15x is negative 30x. It does get you your answer. Okay? So, what is your solution? 3x minus 5 equals 0. So 3x equals 5. X equals 5/3. And notice both the factors are the same, so your solution is the same. Okay? So there's your one real solution.